Hey guys, we have 7 plus 8 divided by 2 squared. Okay, 7 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 4 squared, right? Now 7 plus 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16, right? 16. Now 7 plus 16 equals 23. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Exponent must be done before division, right? So we divide 8 by 4, right? Not by 2. So follow the order of operations, we use PEMDAS rule. Okay. Okay, now let's solve it correctly. 7 plus 8 divided by 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 4. Now 7 plus 8 divided by 4. So divide first. Multiplication and division have equal priority. We must go left to right. Then addition and subtraction after multiplication and division. So 7 plus 8 divided by 4 equals 2 and 7 plus 2 equals 9.